Space is vast. In this cosmic ocean, planets are like islands, each unique and fascinating. Some planets are giant balls of swirling gas, but others, like our own Earth, are much different. Welcome to the world of terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets are the rock stars of the universe, literally. They are planets made mostly of rock and metal, not gas. Think of them as the solid ground of space. Instead of fluffy clouds, they boast mountains, valleys, and maybe even volcanoes. These planets are full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on a journey to explore these fascinating worlds. Get ready to dig deep into the heart of planets, uncover ancient secrets, and maybe even find clues about life beyond Earth. Our exploration of terrestrial planets is about to begin. In our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system, planets come in two main flavors: gas giants and terrestrial planets. It's like comparing a giant cotton candy to a solid chocolate truffle. Gas giants, like Jupiter and Saturn, are the largest planets. They are mostly made of hydrogen and helium, just like the sun. Imagine a giant balloon filled with gas. They're massive and powerful, but you wouldn't find a solid surface to stand on. Terrestrial planets, on the other hand, are the smaller, denser siblings. These are the rock stars. They are made of heavy elements like iron and silicon, forming a solid surface. This is where the real action happens, with volcanoes, canyons, and maybe even oceans. What lies beneath the surface of a terrestrial planet? It's like peeling back the layers of a cosmic onion. These planets are structured like jawbreakers with layers of different materials. On the outside you have the crust, the solid ground we stand on. Think of Earth's continents and ocean floors. Below that is the mantle, a layer of hot, dense rock that's always on the move. It's like a giant lava lamp beneath our feet. And finally, deep in the center, lies the core. This is the heart of the planet, often made of iron and nickel. It's incredibly hot and under immense pressure. The Earth's core, for example, is even hotter than the surface of the sun. The core of a terrestrial planet is more than just a hot ball of metal. It's a dynamo, a powerful engine that drives many of the planet's features. The Earth's core, for example, is responsible for our planet's magnetic field. This magnetic field acts like a giant shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. It's like a force field, deflecting charged particles that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere. The core's rotation and the movement of molten iron within it generate electric currents. These currents, in turn, create the magnetic field that surrounds our planet. It's a beautiful example of how the inner workings of a planet can have a profound impact on its surface and its ability to support life. Section 5, Mercury, a scorched traveler. Let's meet our first terrestrial planet, Mercury, the speedy messenger of the solar system. This tiny world is the closest planet to the sun, and it's a real scorcher. Because it's so close to the sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, the surface can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But at night, without a thick atmosphere to trap heat, temperatures plummet to a frigid -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about extreme weather. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is a fascinating world. It has a surprisingly large iron core, making up a whopping 85% of its radius. It's also covered in craters, evidence of a long history of impacts from asteroids and comets. Section 6. Venus, our twisted twin. Next up is Venus, often called Earth's twin. This nickname comes from their similar size and mass, making them almost like cosmic siblings. At first glance, Venus might seem like a promising place for exploration or even colonization. It's similar in size to Earth, and it has a thick atmosphere that might make you think it could support life. But don't let that fool you. The reality is far more sinister. Venus is a planet gone wrong, a cautionary tale of a runaway greenhouse effect that spiraled out of control. Its thick atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, which traps heat from the sun, creating a pressure cooker effect. This has caused the surface temperature to soar to an unbearable 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Imagine standing on a planet where metal turns to liquid. Venus is also home to thousands of volcanoes, some of which may still be active, constantly reshaping its surface. Its surface is a desolate wasteland covered in vast lava flows and dotted with towering mountains, making it a truly alien landscape. While it may not be the most hospitable place, Venus serves as a stark reminder of the importance of a balanced climate. It shows us what can happen when a planet's atmosphere goes unchecked, offering valuable lessons for our own Earth. Section 7. Earth, the oasis of life, and then there's Earth, our home sweet home. Of all the planets in the solar system, Earth is the only one we know of that harbors life. What makes our planet so special? Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, the perfect distance from the sun to have liquid water on its surface. Our planet also has a protective atmosphere, with just the right amount of greenhouse gases to keep us warm, but not too hot. But perhaps the most important ingredient for life is Earth's magnetic field, generated by its spinning core. This magnetic field shields us from harmful radiation, allowing life to flourish. Earth is a testament to the delicate balance of conditions required for life to exist, a true oasis in the vastness of space. Section 8. Mars, the Red Hope. Last but not least, we have Mars, the red planet, and humanity's next frontier. This mysterious world has been the subject of countless studies, movies, and dreams. Mars has captivated our imaginations for centuries, and for good reason. Its striking red color and intriguing surface features make it a prime candidate for exploration. It's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system, and it may hold clues to the past or even the future of life itself. The similarities between Mars and Earth are fascinating, from its day length to its seasonal cycles. Mars was once a much warmer and wetter planet than it is today. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars had a climate that could have supported liquid water on its surface. Evidence suggests that rivers flowed and oceans may have existed on its surface. These ancient waterways could have been home to microbial life. Today, Mars is a cold, dry desert, but we believe that frozen water still exists beneath its surface. This hidden water could be crucial for future human missions to Mars. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life. The search for these conditions continues with every mission sent to the red planet. And while we haven't found any Martians yet, the search for even the smallest signs of past or present life is one of the most exciting endeavors in space exploration. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. Section 9. Unveiling planetary secrets. So why is it so important to study these rocky worlds? Because by understanding terrestrial planets, we gain a deeper understanding of our own planet and the conditions that make life possible. Each terrestrial planet is like a natural laboratory, offering unique insights into the processes that shape planets over billions of years. By comparing and contrasting their atmospheres, surfaces, and interiors, we can piece together the history of our solar system and learn how planets form and evolve. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, by studying these distant worlds, we'll uncover the ultimate secret. Are we alone in the universe? The answers to these profound questions lie hidden on the surfaces and within the cores of terrestrial planets waiting to be discovered. Section 10. Mirrors to our past, windows to our future. Terrestrial planets are more than just celestial objects, they are mirrors to our past and windows to our future. By studying their ancient surfaces, we unravel the history of our solar system, learning about the events that led to the formation of our own planet. But these rocky worlds also offer a glimpse into the future. As we face the challenges of climate change and resource depletion here on Earth, understanding the evolution of planets like Venus and Mars could provide valuable lessons for preserving our own planet for future generations. The knowledge we gain from studying terrestrial planets could guide us in developing new technologies and strategies for sustainable living, not just on Earth but perhaps one day, on other planets as well. Section 11. Keep exploring. The exploration of terrestrial planets is a journey of discovery, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. It is a voyage that takes us beyond the confines of our own world into the vast expanse of space. Every image beamed back from a spacecraft, every rock sample analyzed, tells a story of a world far different from our own. Each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of these fascinating worlds, revealing secrets that have been hidden for eons. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are gazing into a universe filled with endless possibilities. Let your gaze linger on those distant points of light, and imagine the worlds that might be orbiting them. They are not just stars, they are suns, each with their own unique systems. And orbiting those suns may be planets, some of which could be rocky worlds like our own, with their own landscapes and atmospheres. Perhaps even rocky worlds like our own. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. Never stop being curious about the universe around us, For curiosity is the driving force behind every great discovery. For in the vastness of space, there are countless wonders waiting to be discovered, each one more incredible than the last. There are countless wonders waiting to be discovered, and it is through our relentless pursuit of knowledge that we will continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos and our place within it. And it is through our relentless pursuit of knowledge that we will continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos and our place within it, ensuring that the spirit of exploration lives on for generations to come.